garden. Today is the best day. We're going to plant something amazing. I brought the shovel. Perfect, Leo. We need that. These are tomato seeds. Tiny little seeds that grow into big, juicy tomatoes. Whoa! I do it! I make the hole. Yes! Great job, Leo! That's where the seed goes. Now we drop in the seed gently, gently. There! It's planted! Hello, seed! Now we tuck it in. Pat, pat, pat. Pat, pat, pat. Night, night, seed. Seeds need water to drink, just like us. Oh, the seed is thirsty. Dink, dink. Seeds also need sunshine. Let's put it right here in the warm sun. Sunshine, like me. I like sunshine too. When it come out, plants grow slowly. We have to be patient. Percent. Okay. Sunny! Sunny! Sun! It growed! It growed! Oh, wow! It's really growing, Leo! Remember, plants need 3 things. Soil, water, and sunlight. Soil, water, sunshine. I water it. My turn. Every day we take care of it, and it will keep growing, just like you. See you tomorrow, little plant. Bye-bye. Grow big. Theo! Let's go on a color hunt. Come find me. Cur hunt? What's that? We look for every color, like a game. Red! I found red! A beautiful red flower! Red? Like my fire truck! UO! I found UO! Great job, Theo! Yellow like the sun! Shh! Look, a blue bird. Blue is everywhere if you look up too. Green. The glass is green. And the leaves too. You found 2 greens. Amazing! Orange and purple. 2 more for the basket. So many colors. Look at all our colors, Theo. We're almost done. 1 more. Pink. Pink. I found it. The last one. You did it, Theo. Every color. Red and yellow, blue and green. Every color can be seen. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 colors, Theo. 6. We did it. I love hunting for colors with you, Theo. Me too, Zoe. See you on our next color hunt. Bye-bye, cooers. Bath time, Benny. Clean to get squeaky clean. Yeah. No bath. No, no, no. Benny, come back. rock star. Scrub, 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 elbows, tummy, knees. That tickles. Squeak. Squeak, squeak, squeak. Okay. 3 more squeezes. Splish, splash, bath time. Scrub, scrub till we're done. All clean, no more subs. Warm water feels nice. Out you come. Bear towel time. I'm a bear! Rawr! See? Bath time wasn't so bad, was it? See you next time. Bye-bye.